going on today?
My car's about to go
And blow up again? Part 2?
Part 2.
Yay. Nah, for real though, Andrew's finally putting in a sub. Check it out.
Speakers fucking suck in this car, by the way. The sub ain't gonna help the speakers, but at least it'll drown out the speakers, which is probably not a good thing either, but it's okay, because car's about to go boom!
Yeah, I've been running a sub in my car for about literally the entire time that I've had the car, and it's finally convinced Andrew to get one himself, so.
Brought me over to the dark side.
Hey, we music enthusiasts out here though, you know what I'm saying, so it's finally happening. Matt's over here ordering a special surprise for the channel. You got anything to say about that?
Pretty special, bro. It's pretty fucking expensive too.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this install, update you as things go along, per usual. Check it out. All right, what's the problem, Andrew?
So we were going based off the first gen because Derek has a sub installed in his car, so all three of us assumed that amp was in the trunk as the gen 1 one is. So we're gonna just slice into the 12-volt power into the amp for the power to the sub, and we come to realize the amp for the second gen is actually gonna be above the glove box, so that's gonna be a challenge in itself. But we also got to go buy wiring now because we don't have any wiring to run it from all the way back there to the front.
Let's buy some wires.
Sus. We're doing the wire test.
Alright, got back from Ace with the wiring and tape that we need. So, just because we're car antics, we were gonna get 3 feet of ground wire, which is the black one usually, you know, that's the standard, and then about 15 feet of positive wire. And, you know, car antics fashion, we did the 15 of the ground on accident. We had to just do 3 of the positive, so they're gonna be switched. Hopefully I don't forget about that anytime I mess with these wires. But yeah, so that's gonna be the situation with our wire. Time to throw this shit in the car.
He's defusing the bomb.
I'm fucking making the bomb. Mater, you are the bomb.
Alright, so yeah, Andrew is connecting the ground. We tried soldering the wires, but it just wasn't working. I don't know if the solder doesn't get hot enough or wrong solder. But anyways, we tried to do it the best we could. It wasn't really working out, so went to electrical tape. This is such a car antics video. Just everything being ghetto as fuck.
If it works, it works.
He's finishing that up. Once that's done, tapped in the right speaker wire. I forgot what they're called. I think they're called T-taps, but we just did that. We're gonna wire that into the harness, and then we're gonna plug it in, see if it works. If it doesn't, then
I'm looking for lighter armor because I'm fat rolling right now. So, but I'm worried because my poise is gonna go lower if I switch my armor. So I might get a talisman or something that'll just give me better equip load, type shit.
What does that even mean? All right, so this is gonna be first test. Everything positive's wired up, negative ground. We're gonna connect the speaker wires together and see if this works. I can't tell if this is recording. It's lighting up.
It's not seem like it's working. Is it on? Is there a light on the...
There's power to it, that's for sure. Okay, play it. I'm gonna try the other wires. One more side.
6.5 hours later.
So what was the problem?
So, come to find out, the rear speakers just get no fucking bass whatsoever. They're little fucking tiny fucking useless things.
Yeah, they're really quiet.
And the speakers in this car are complete shit, just to be honest. This is the base model. I can't say for the premium model, but base model speakers absolutely trash. But we wired it up to just one front speaker. So like honestly, that might be even crazier if we wire it up to both. But yeah, we wired it up to the front. And shit's booming. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
Bro, your door chime, dude. I swear to fucking God.
Disconnect the negative.
Push it. Yeah, there you go.
That's okay. Let's figure out how to wire this shit up and then be done for the night. All right. As you guys can see, fucking tired. This thing took way longer than it should have. I think we started around like 5 maybe, and it's almost 1 in the morning. I mean, lesson learned though. If we had known that the rear speakers would not work for this, then we would have just went directly for the front speakers and got it done in probably half the time. But the main important thing is it does work. And it's fucking crazy. Let's fucking go!
By the way, put up on the screen, instead of actually running it to the door speakers, there is the door speaker wire that goes into a little
grommet.
It goes to the grommet to a little
harness
plug. Yeah, harness. It goes to a harness, and then you can just wire it in there. We'll put it up on the screen. We'll show you which one. We'll do the pink one on the passenger side, green driver's side. Makes it 10,000 times easier.
You don't gotta worry about wiring to the door because there's only that one grommet that's completely sealed. You don't gotta worry about that. It's just all within the car. So quick little tip. All right, well, here's a sound test for y'all. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you enjoyed and like seeing our content, please subscribe. It helps us out a lot. Let us know what type of videos you want us to see. We know that, you know, our videos are kind of all over the place between 3 of the cars. Some of them are part installs, some of them are just like random maintenance things or whatever. But yeah, this one was a nice little just added thing to my car, which I'm probably gonna fucking love because I get jealous of Derek's car every time. And then yeah, I think Derek has a couple of things to show you guys, and we mentioned that in today's video as well. And Matt does have something big coming up as well. Don't know when that's happening. Few weeks, few months, maybe more than a year. Who knows? But that's another car antiques video for the books. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. Good night.